And if you come here you'll be able to see the data or functions that you will create as you start writing code. History will show you all the codes that you have run so far. Using connections, you can connect to different databases. We'll again come to them in the databases and SQL course. We'll see how we can use this. Any presentation that you create using Markdown, again you can view that presentation here. So in this pane you can see all the files that are part of this RStudio project and which are present in the folder. The plots, all the plots that you create will be visible in this part of the pane. Here you'll find information about all the packages that have been installed and whether any update is available, and you can update those packages from here as well. From help you can access the documentation of base R as well as different packages. You can also search for documentation here using the search tab. And viewer, finally you can view HTML files or web applications in this part of the tab. Now if you want to rearrange these panes, then you can go to tools, go to global options, right? So go to pane layout, and here you can change the way in which these panes are arranged. So you can select for console, environment, history, presentation, files, plots, packages, and others, right? So there are four options, and you can select from these four options in each of these sections. And you can also choose what to be included and what need not be included as well, right? So for example, here you have the options. Using these checkboxes you can specify what needs to be included and excluded from each of the pane. Other than that, if you go here, RStudio will identify the latest version of R that is installed in your system, and then there are a bunch of other options. We'll come to them slowly, right? As and when we use as and when we make changes, we'll use these different options that we have, and you'll be able to learn more about them, right? So for the time being, this is, I think, sufficient. If you're having any trouble, please reach out to us. We have added a few links in the learning management system that will take you to the RStudio website, right? So they've got a lot of webinars where they explore or explain these features of RStudio in depth. So you can go through these webinars to better understand the features of RStudio. And if you are having any trouble in terms of using RStudio, or if you're having any trouble or any confusion, you can reach out to us, and you can also refer to the documents in the learning management system.